Being a C5 quadriplegic with not very good hand dexterity, using knives can be difficult because you can't get a good grip on the knife. So in this video I'm going to be showing you a really cool utensil that you can use to cut bread with. This right here is a bread knife by Active Hands, and Active Hands is a company that makes all kinds of different products for people with not very good hand dexterity. So this right here is a bread knife, and you can see the blade looks like a bread knife, and you'll see that the handle is different, which is what makes this knife really cool. This is a 90-degree handle, and it will give you a way better grip on the knife than if it were a regular handle on a regular knife, which would be down here. So you will grab the bread knife like this, and then you will go back and forth to cut the bread. You can also use the Active Hands gripping aid to use this bread knife, and it works pretty good. I usually use this to lift my weights, but basically there's a strap here that goes around whatever you're holding and a strap that goes around your wrist, and I do have a video on the Active Hands gripping aid if you're interested in this. So let's go ahead and give it a shot right here. Try to get a good angle to where you can see, and we are going to cut this bread. I've honestly never cut bread before. Wow, that worked really smooth. And there we go. I cut the bread, and this knife worked really good. I'm actually surprised at how well that actually worked. So if you guys are interested in this knife, be sure to check out Active Hands. There will be a link down in the description box below, and if you buy this knife on their website or any product, be sure to use the coupon code AHME10 for 10% off. So this here is the Active Hands bread knife, and they also have a Active Hands all-purpose knife, which is just basically a sharp knife that you would, use to cut anything else like vegetables or steak or anything like that. So if you're like myself and do not have very good hand dexterity, be sure to check out the products on Active Hands website, and I do have videos on some of their products.